Hello friends, welcome back to Market Market. Today is 6th of August and I'm back again with this quick update. So last time when we had reviewed friends, this candle was already formed. We reviewed it on the weekend following 31st of July. So till then Nifty was moving in this range of this big red candle here between 11,240 and 11,060. Then it did break out but then quickly reversed and retraced till this range 10,880 where the previous consolidation had happened. We had anticipated this move already. So then the following day, friends, the Monday beginning of this week, I think this was Monday when this big bearish candle was formed and the downward move ended here. And then on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Tuesday was a very bullish day. It did mark a reversal, so it made a higher high and higher low. It was a very bullish candle. And then yesterday and today again, friends, so it is actually facing some resistance from this range high where Nifty had spent quite a few sessions here in this range. So it is again facing resistance at this range high. Yesterday it reacted quite sharply and today not so much. This is more clearer on an hourly chart. Let's get into an hourly chart. So we can mark the range highs here this way. So this is one, and let me mark another range. So this seems to be the resistance range, friends. So yesterday Nifty reacted to this quite sharply. Look at this, friends. So this hourly chart, it made quite bearish candles here yesterday on an hourly chart, and today it again attempted to break this, but again did react, but not so sharply as yesterday. So it has ended up making higher lows into this resistance, and it tried to it did pass beyond yesterday's level. It did try to reached higher levels today and did not react quite as sharply as it did yesterday. So maybe it is preparing for a breakout, but let's continue to watch the price action around this area, resistance area, and see what's going to be the Nifty's next move. So that's pretty much on the intraday charts. Let's get back to the daily chart to discuss support and resistance. So as far as support and resistance goes, friends, so this range high, as I discussed, is going to be a resistance. Once that's taken out, and this is still yet to be breached, 11,377. So we have seen this bottom of this gap will act as a resistance, right? That's a resistance. And then as the support, we have this 20 EMA, 200 SMA, and this level which Nifty took support this week, and then these moving averages. Another thing to observe, friends, so Nifty is very close to this golden crossover, which many people follow, 50 EMA crossing 200 EMA. So this is a very bullish indication. If it does indeed cross over, this will be a very bullish indicator. So candle wise, friends, it has formed an indecisive spinning top candle. But looking at the intraday chart, as I said, this is making higher lows into the resistance area. Maybe it is trying to break out and go higher. But let's continue to watch price action around this area of 10,240. The trend is definitely up. So all three candles have made higher highs and higher lows. Let's continue to watch the price action here. As far as the sectors, different sectors goes, bank was flat today. IT did really well. Pharma did well. FMCG, metals did really well. Metals did very well yesterday too, with 4% gains, and today another 1.5%. Auto is also doing pretty good. So that's pretty much, friends. Was just a short update to cover the price action formed in the last few days. See you again in the next video.